Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 602 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Zuri Flawless Makeup Setting Mist in their Semigloss finish. So I got this from Shop Miss A, so it was $1, it's cruelty free, and I've been on the search for a $1 setting spray because I feel like setting sprays are such a simple product that I shouldn't have to spend those high-end price points to get them. And I hadn't quite found my perfect $1 setting spray, but I'm hopeful about this because it actually has pretty high ratings on the Shop Miss A website. It says, keeps your makeup looking gorgeously just applied for up to 16 hours. Helps prevent makeup from melting, fading, or settling into fine lines. Weightless semi-gloss finish. So all of that sounds awesome. And this is a decent size. I tried out that LA Colors setting spray and it was so tiny. This is actually 2.1 fluid ounces. So that's pretty good. All right, so I basically have a full face of makeup right now, but it's looking pretty matte in my opinion. So I'm excited to see how this semi-gloss finish will look on my mattified makeup and if it will give that kind of dewy, radiant glow. All right, so it says to hold it 12 to 16 inches away, which I feel like is pretty far away. Let me test out the mister before I spray myself in the face. Ooh, that looks like a pretty good mister. Big area of spray there. And I'm getting a scent. Kind of smells like a hairspray. I guess I'll find out when I spray it onto my face. So here we go. Oh my gosh. I totally understand why they say to hold it 12 to 16 inches away because that is a powerful mister. That actually got my whole face very thoroughly, even with it being held that far away. And so the directions on this say to let it dry naturally or to dab at it with a tissue to help speed dry. But I don't really want to dab at it with a tissue. I don't want to remove any of my makeup. I mean, that could work if you were maybe using this without makeup. And as far as that scent goes, there's not much of an overpowering scent at all. It does kind of have a nice, refreshing smell to it, but nothing too strong, which is good. Wow. So now that it's kind of dried down on my skin, my skin is feeling hydrated. I love how my makeup is looking. There is a bit of shine, but nothing too greasy or too dewy shiny. It's honestly my perfect amount of sheen, but it did a perfect job of just settling into the makeup and making it look like skin. Where my makeup had looked kind of dry and powdery before, it just looks like my natural skin texture if my skin was nicely hydrated. I love how this is looking. It didn't leave like a sticky texture or anything on my skin. Wow. Like, look at this. I feel like this is perfect makeup right now. And a $1 setting spray. Okay, yes, this really does live up to those high ratings. I would absolutely rate this a 5-star as well. For $1 too, like, this, I feel like, is a dupe for that Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, which I also love because I feel like this is the effect that that spray gives my skin and my makeup. And that's a pretty pricey setting spray. Okay, yay. I think my search for my perfect $1 setting spray is over. This is seriously awesome. Semi-gloss finish is, in my opinion, the perfect finish because there's glow to the skin without it being too glowy, and then it's not too matte. It's just perfect with that Semigloss amount. So seriously, I absolutely recommend this. My past 2 products that I've tried out in this series have been like home runs, so good, which is such a relief after the LOL powder that I tried out and like the eyeliner that I tried out. I was having some duds in the past week or so, but now I'm on a roll with amazing products. So if you have not tried this out, I highly recommend it. But if you have, I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.